In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export data in Airtable. Airtable is a fantastic tool that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the power of a database. Whether you're managing projects, tracking inventory, or organizing any kind of data, knowing how to import and export data efficiently can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to your Airtable base. This is essentially the workspace where all your data is stored. If you're not sure how to find your base, don't worry. Simply log into your Airtable account and navigate to the dashboard. From there, select the base that you want to work with. It's important to have your base open because this is where all the action takes place. Now, let's talk about importing data. On the Table tab within your base, you'll notice an option labeled Add or Import. This is where you can bring in data from other sources into Airtable. Click on this option and you'll be presented with several import choices. You can import a CSV file, spreadsheets from Google Sheets, or even data from other apps. It's a flexible feature that accommodates a variety of data formats, making it easier for you to integrate different data sources into your Airtable base. When you're importing, make sure your data is clean and organized. This means ensuring there are no blank rows or columns and your headers are correctly labeled. Clean data will import more seamlessly and reduce the chances of errors or misalignment in your tables. Next, let's move on to exporting data. Exporting is useful when you want to share your data with others or use it in different applications. To export data from Airtable, first, locate the specific view of the data you want to export. Views are different ways you can look at the data within a table, whether it's a grid view, gallery view, or another format. Once you have the view open, look for the option to download CSV. This will save the data in a CSV file format on your computer, which is a widely used format compatible with most spreadsheet applications like Excel or Google Sheets. Remember, exporting a CSV is essentially a snapshot of your data at that moment. Any changes you make in Airtable after exporting won't be reflected in the CSV file unless you export it again. And that's it! You've now learned the basics of importing and exporting data in Airtable. By mastering these skills, you can ensure your data is always up to date and accessible wherever you need it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!